All right, y'all. Here we go. One of my favorite parts about being an FFL and a gunsmith is you ain't gotta buy it to get to see it. Y'all already see. Y'all see. Okay. Y'all see. If you don't know, this thing is so sweet. Look at that bag. Magazine, gun lock. Ooh, there's the sweetness. Here's the sweetness. Come on out of here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm trying to tell you, that's one good looking firearm right there. Let's see something here. There we go. Clear that out the way. You see that? See that? Chunk port. Oh, I bet this thing is a joy to shoot. I bet it's just a joy. Well, probably won't be finding out with this one, but maybe my client will let me go to the range with him to help break it in. Ooh. Hey, y'all, somebody got to open the box and make sure it's the right thing. Maybe I'll get one day.